For a lot of homes and business owners, it starts with the same frustration. Pet stains that keep coming back, odors that really don't go away, allergies that don't improve, employees that keep getting sick, surface and spaces that just don't feel clean, no matter how many times they're treated. And after a while, people aren't just frustrated with the problem. They're tired of guessing who they can trust.
A lot of people think cleaning is just about how things look. But what you can't see, allergens, bacteria, trapped odors, that's usually where the real issue lives. When those things aren't explained clearly, homeowners end up using quick fixes. And a few weeks later, the same problem shows up all over again.
At Stanley Steemer, everything starts with understanding the problem, not rushing to a solution. Before we clean anything, we take the time to inspect the space, explain what we're seeing, and walk the homeowner through what's actually going on beneath the surface. That way, we're not just guessing, and neither are they. If it's not something that I would do in my own home or a place of business, I won't recommend it, because real results come from fixing the problem the right way.
This company has always been about care. Care for the people we serve and care for the spaces we're invited into. Our technicians do not rush jobs. They explain what they're doing before they start. They respect furniture, pets, and routines, and they treat every home or business like it's personal, because it is. That level of care isn't optional here. It's the standard we hold ourselves to every day.
Many business leaders and owners forget to have the place they spend the majority of their time deep cleaned. Stanley Steemer provides many professional deep cleaning services for businesses. We serve a variety of industries, including restaurants, gyms, offices, schools, and religious facilities. The services we offer include carpet, hardwood, upholstery tile and grout, and air duct cleaning. Our commercial cleaning services are thorough and keep your place of business clean and healthy for your employees and customers. We have the capability to clean any size business with our fleet of trucks ready to serve you. We can handle jobs that are big or small. We want to be your partner in clean, regardless of the size and situation. Your business can stay cleaner longer with our low moisture encapsulation carpet cleaning. This service uses up to 98% less water than our hot water extraction method, drastically reducing dry time so you can return to business as usual faster. Your business needs to stay clean just like your home. Why not use the name you can count on as the undisputed leader in commercial floor and air duct cleaning?
This is the moment when a home and a business really feels different. Not just cleaner floors or fresher air, but the confidence that comes from knowing the problem was actually addressed. Not just covering it up, no guessing, no surprises, just clear answers and work done the right way.
If you're looking for honest answers and a team that truly cares for your home, we're here to help.